Hello everyone, today's project, installing the Radium oil catch can. Here's the box with all the goodies in it. With brochure, also come with this card here that I took out earlier. This one said to download, it tells you what to download the instruction. Here's the one I downloaded. Got all the fittings, hoses, different sizes, bracket, and a sticker. Nice quality. Second bottle. Mounting bracket. Wait, another sticker. Okay, so here we go. Okay, the first step, remove the engine cover. Pull the front part out and then pull it toward you. Next step, find the location for the bracket right there. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 holes. Okay, let's do a quick test fit. See how this thing is going to be oriented. So go like that. The larger washer would go in the bottom hole because that's a bigger hole. Okay, so I'm gonna need a number 4 hex key. Okay, so to get to the back of this area here to tighten up the nut, I have to remove the front grille slightly. Try not to take the front grille out because I have cable going to the front camera. That would be a pain. Have to undo all that. So with dual cans, you have to attach this second bracket to the main one. Okay. Need a holder for this thing so it won't fall over. Okay, that's pretty tight. I think we're good there. Not sure if you can see this, but look at inside. That's a little wire mesh in there. We should put this little tab back on that to that plastic, like a splash guard of some sort. So the next step is to run the hoses and connect them up. So this is the intake manifold PCV. So this hose was sitting like that, so I removed it. There was a lot of disc foam in that area too, which I have to pull out to expose this PCV valve right here. Okay, so now it's so save these clamps because we have to reuse them. There. So I'm gonna find a way to run this through here. If you look closely, you have a fan right there, so you want to stay away from there. Here we go. So yeah, the cans right here, the two hoses. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna plug in the 3/8 to the green valve PCV. Okay, I got both hoses in right there, and the one right below it, right there, and that one right there. So the next step is to put on the connectors. So this one on the top has the 3/8 connectors. All the rest are kind of bigger, 1/2 inch. So you need the smaller one there, so you can connect this elbow to it. Again, this for your 3/8. And then for your 1/2 inch, right. So 3/8 go on the top, 1/2 inch go on the bottom. I'm gonna have to trim the hose, maybe 8 inches, but the top one's okay. For the other catch can, I think all the rest are pretty much the same size. See that U-shaped hose right there? So that's what I'm going to be working with next. Okay, removing that clamp and this one here. Go right there, that piece has been removed. Hard to see all the way over there. So reuse the old clamps. So that's what they look like. So put a little bit of oil around the connector, slide it in there. So this one I already pushed all the way in. I'm not gonna mess with that, so I'll leave it. So this one I'm gonna trim it maybe right about there. Okay, so I think that's it. So to recap, I only used 2 mounting screws, 2 mounting bolts on the other side. This side here I couldn't get from the back, so I'm not going to use that one. As you can see, it's already pretty tight with two bolts, so I think we're good there. Okay, so the next thing to do is to put the engine cover back on.